We just got approved for the house. Is this my filming room? We have our first piece of furniture in the lounge room. Woohoo! Woohoo! I like it a lot. This is comfy. We're having a little pizza party picnic. This is a crazy time. Guys. So, me and the girls applied for this house probably like 2 weeks ago, and usually it does not take that long to get processed for a house. I'm actually shaking right now, and I'm not kidding when I say this is the perfect house. Like, we've wanted it for so long, and we kept emailing them, just like getting progress, and we kept getting further and further in the application process. We'd never gotten this far before, and then the real estate agent just stopped messaging us. Right now, I just got an email from the real estate agent asking if I'm still interested in the property and when I would want to move in. I think that means that we may have got it, and holy moly, I am so extremely excited. And from what I think I'm the only one out of our group who knows this, because I've been the one that's been in contact with the real estate agent. So if I am, I'm gonna call the other girls as soon as I get confirmation, and I'm going to get their like genuine reaction and vlog it. I'm like shaking. I just want her to reply right now just to say like, yes, you've got it, or no, you haven't. Mom! Come here for a second. Please. I just got an email saying, hello Rachel, I'm wondering if you're still interested in the property and when would you want to move in? Does that mean we got it?
I don't know. Answer it, but it sounds pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Well, so, and when would you want to move in?
I just said as soon as possible.
This weekend?
Yeah.
Because your 2 exams are finished, so...
Yeah, exactly. My assessment's finished by the end of this weekend. This is the one we've been waiting for, the perfect one.
Oh, the first one?
Yeah. Guys, the real estate agent just emailed back saying, do you want to move in tomorrow afternoon? Are you kidding me? So now I'm gonna call Skay and Izzy and see if they answer and tell them. I'm like so out of breath because I'm so excited. But George is at work, so I can't even call her to tell her, but I'm gonna call her as soon as work finishes for her, but she doesn't finish till 9:30 tonight, and it's currently not even 6 p.m.
Sorry I couldn't come to the phone, please leave a message.
Let's try Izzy. If no one answers me, I'm gonna be so sad.
Hi, sorry I can't come to the phone right now, but just...
No one even answered. What an anticlimactic thing. I'm gonna keep my phone on me though, just in case they call back. Izzy's calling me back. Izzy's calling me back. Hey Iz. I just got an email.
Yeah?
We got...
Are you serious?
Yes!
Yeah!
And guess what?
What?
They want us to move in tomorrow.
Are you serious?
Yeah!
Oh my god!
I wanted to call you girls. I wanted to call you.
Holy oh my god, dude, I'm in the car now for a little bit. Holy oh my god, I can cancel the inspection tomorrow then.
I know. So she emailed me and she said, are you still interested in the property? And I was like...
What do you mean?
I was like, yes. And she said, when would you want to move in? And I said, as soon as possible. And she said, how does tomorrow afternoon sound? And I wanted to call you because I just wanted to film your reaction. So you're on camera right now, so there's going to be a lot of beeps.
Yeah, there is. Oh my god! You have no idea. Oh, well, you do have an idea. Like, what? I'm so happy.
Dude, I'm so excited.
It's actually happening. Oh, dude, I'm so happy.
Have a great night, Izzy.
Dude, I seriously realized. Thank you so much for calling me.
That's all good. I'll message you soon.
Alright, see ya.
Bye. Hey, Skay. Sorry I missed your calls.
That's all good. What's going on?
We just got...
Oh my god, I'm actually gonna cry.
I
No,
know. Legit. I'm not even kidding you.
oh my god, yes.
And so I was like, I need to call them right now.
I needed this so much. Oh my god.
And guess what?
What?
We get the keys tomorrow.
Oh no.
But we have a freaking house, Skay.
Yeah, I know. Oh my goodness.
So perfect timing, hey? And perfect house.
Yes. Yes.
So I'll call Georgia as soon as she's home. And then as soon as Georgia knows, I'll just start sending all the information I get from the emails through the group chat. So we're all up to date on everything. Yeah. Okay, well, I'll talk to you sometime soon. Give you more details.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. Bye.
Alright,
Giorgio is on her break right now, and I just messaged her and I was like, hey Giorgio, are you on your break? I need to talk to you about something quickly. And she was like, yeah, I am. And I was like, can I call you? And she's like, yeah, of course. So I'm gonna call her right now. I'm so excited to tell her. She's at work, but I don't want to wait till after she finishes. Like, I have to tell her right now. Giorgio, I'm recording this for your vlog as well. Hey Giorgio.
Hi.
I just got some really bad news.
Yeah?
We just got approved for the house.
We did not.
The house. And guess what?
What?
We get the keys tomorrow.
Oh, Rachel, oh my god.
I had to call you and tell you. By the way, I'm filming this so we can both have this in our vlogs. So you can have this footage as well. Have vlog.
Oh my goodness, no way.
Yes, way.
You had a good feeling about that one.
I told you I had a good feeling about that one.
I have lost hope already. I was like, we're not hearing back from them. We're not getting it.
I told you that I wasn't going to give up hope until they told us no. Did I not?
Oh my goodness, I haven't packed a thing.
Well, you should have listened to Jesus. I've packed. We will have a kitchen and a laundry and a place to hang out. And guess what, Giorgio?
What?
I get to have a frickin' pajama party on my birthday.
Yes, you do. Oh my gosh.
I'm so happy.
Oh,
I'm so happy.
oh my gosh.
Like, we're gonna literally have like a driveway and
That is the dream house, Rachel. That is the best house.
I know. I haven't even seen it yet, but I know.
And the landlord is lovely.
I'm so excited. Life is so good. God is good all the time.
And all the time, God is good.
Oh yeah. Hello my friends. So I last talked to you guys on Thursday night where we said we got the house and we were going to get the keys on Friday. So there were some technical difficulties, which is probably the most frustrating thing ever. And so we were supposed to get the keys on Monday, then it got pushed back. It's currently Tuesday. We're supposed to get them today, but possibly tomorrow morning, which is so incredibly frustrating. And it's like nothing that we've done wrong. It's just like the real estate and technical difficulties, which is stupid. Anyway, I'm at work at the moment. It's like 3:17 p.m. I finish at 8:30. I'm on my break at the moment. I'm sitting in my car. I really like to sit in my car during my breaks. That sounds really weird, but like the place where I work doesn't have just like a place to chill out anywhere, so I just chill in the car. But I'm hoping that once I finish work, I have a message from the girl saying that they've picked up the keys and that I can go and see it, because I haven't seen it at all. I haven't even visited it to inspect it. So it's a frustrating process, and I'm hoping the process is over soon because I'm so over it. So incredibly over it. I just want our house, and it's like our house, but we can't even get it yet. Like, it's ours, but we can't live in it yet until this stupid thing processes. Anyway, I'm gonna stop complaining. It's gonna be good. We're gonna get the keys either today or tomorrow morning, so it should be fine. So excuse the lighting, but it is now like almost 9 p.m. I finished work at 8:30. I've been at work for 8.5 hours, but I just drove to my new house and drove into my new street, and I'm parked on my front lawn, and now I'm going to go see the house for the first time ever, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna share it with you guys. Oh my God. Are you guys ready to see this? Like, when you guys see it, it'll be the first time that I see it too, but I don't know if we have electricity. I thought we didn't. But now there are lights on, so I'm confused because I thought we had to set that up. Let's see what's gonna go on. Hello!
And welcome to the show.
Oh my goodness!
Okay, first of all, you press that button. This is a camera, and we see you on the phone.
No,
Yeah.
you're
You
kidding.
set it up, but like, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
You should see.
Is this my room?
That's your 3D TV.
What the heck? Is this my filming room?
Look, they leave hooks on. Hooks for us.
Oh, this is the best thing ever. This is my filming
Turn
room.
the lights on too. Garage.
That's the alarm system.
Don't touch it. Yeah, I really do.
So this is George's.
Yeah.
Oh,
And look.
We'll see. We better
oh
toilet paper and
my
stuff and
gosh.
Yeah, we can do the cleaning.
Best. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Oh my freaking
This is
goodness.
your storage. This is my room.
Your room. Ah.
There's a mirror.
Oh, I like the kitchen. I like everything. Oh, holy moly, that's huge. The owners apparently left these for us. Oh my goodness. We have a backyard. I like that we actually have a pantry too.
There's legit so much storage.
Is it just like shelves? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shelves. 1 shelf each. Is this my room? Dang, my room!
Because you'll have the media room too.
Yeah. And your room?
Internet's gonna connect.
Yeah.
Oh,
And
that's
it's
so
got a built-in
cool.
desk.
That's really cool. This is great. And this is just like bathroom. What's that?
It's a linen cupboard.
So we keep like
Oh my gosh, wait, we have a linen cupboard and a little, oh wait, this is a cleaning cupboard.
mopping
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah.
On our headrest.
And.
It's a
Comes from the roof. Okay, so I'm back in the car now, but it's like 10:30 now, and I just got back to like my parents' house, which I still call home. But I'm sorry I didn't vlog a lot. It was just a lot of trying to figure out things and get things sorted. So there'll definitely be a lot more moving vlogs in the future, obviously, of us actually moving in. This was kind of just like me just seeing the house for the first time. I did drop off like a few of my things, but I haven't really unpacked anything, so it's just really hard with figuring out when I'm gonna actually really move all my stuff over, because right now we have electricity but we don't have gas, which means we don't have hot water. We also don't have a fridge yet. We're getting that on like Thursday. We should be getting gas tomorrow. I also need to like move my bed and everything over, and I wanted to go buy some more like newer furniture, but I'm still working a lot this week. I'm doing some formal makeup this week. I have some other commitments, so it's gonna be a little bit of an interesting process, but I think this moving vlog will end here. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the house for the first time with me, seeing it for the first time. And make sure you subscribe if you want to see more moving vlogs, so you don't miss out, and turn on the post notifications little bell down there as well, just in case. But otherwise, I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Goodbye.